Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing good. So guys, in today's video, we are going to see Deloitte NLA computer fundamental questions. And these are the questions which were asked in previous year questions and recently the examinations which has happened. So if you prepare these questions, it will be very good for your practice when you attempt these questions in the exam, and many of the questions can be very similar or exactly same in your upcoming exams. So make sure to watch the video till complete end, and by the end of the video, I have 2 DIY questions for you which you need to do by your own and comment down the answers in the comment box. So make sure to watch the video till complete, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section and I can clarify all your doubts. Before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, as I regularly upload these kinds of helpful videos for all of you. Also, there is a complete playlist going on my channel related to Deloitte NLA. Make sure to check that too, as there are a lot of preparation material on that playlist too. I regularly post computer fundamentals, verbal ability, reasoning, aptitude, and all such preparation videos for all of you. So make sure to watch the video till complete end and check the playlist too. Let's start with first question today. Let's look at this question. Which of the following is not a type of software testing? So we have the options: unit testing, integration testing, compilation testing, and system testing. So the correct answer for this question is option number C, which is compilation testing. Okay. So guys, in testing we have different types of testing. Okay, and the options like option A, unit testing, integration testing, and system testing are actually different types of testing, but there is nothing like compilation testing. So that is why the correct answer is compilation testing, because there is no such testing in testing in software testing. Moving on to the next question. Let's look at this question. What type of testing is done without executing the code? So the options that we have are unit testing, integration testing, static testing, and dynamic testing. So the correct answer in this case is static testing. So static testing is the one in which we don't need to execute the code and we can perform the testing. Moving on to our next question, which is which testing method is based on internal structure of the application? The options that we have are black box testing, white box testing, functional testing, and regression testing. So in this case, the correct answer is white box testing. Okay, our answer is option number T, which is white box testing. So in white box testing, the testing is done based on internal structure of the application. Moving on to the next question, which of the following is not a functional testing type? And the options that we have are usability testing, smoke testing, performance testing, and sanity testing. The correct answer in this case is option number C, which is performance testing. Okay, so performance testing is not a type of functional testing type. Let's move on to the next question now. Regression testing is performed to, and the options that we have are check system usage, find new defects, verify that recent code changes haven't affected existing functionality. Option D, ensure performance optimization. So the correct answer is option number C, that is regression testing is performed to verify that the recent code changes haven't affected existing functionality. Move on to the next question. The purpose of stress testing is to, so the options that we have are check system stability under normal conditions, identify vulnerabilities in the system, determine the system's breaking point, assess functional correctness. So the correct answer in this case is option number C, which is determine the system breakpoint. Let's now move on to the next question. Which testing is usually done first? So the options that we have are system testing, unit testing, acceptance testing, regression testing. So firstly, we usually do unit testing. So the correct answer in this case is option number B. So guys, before we move on to the next question, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and there is a complete playlist on the channel. Make sure to check that too. Let's move on to the next question, which is what is the main goal of acceptance testing? The options that we have are to ensure the software meets the business requirements, to verify code quality, to evaluate performance, to detect security vulnerability. So the correct answer for this question is option number A, to ensure the software meets the business requirements. Okay, see, in the question is only like acceptance testing. So how, when the testing will be accepted is that when our software meets the business requirement. Moving on to the next question. Which testing technique involves testing the system as a whole? The options that we have are unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and alpha testing. The correct answer in this case is option number C, which is system testing. Okay, let's now look at next question. What is a test case? So the options that we have are a document describing text execution steps, a tool for automated testing, a testing type, a project management team. So the correct answer for this question is option number A. A document describing text execution steps is called a test case. Let's now move on to the next set of questions, which is the brain of any computer is, and the options that we have are ALU, memory, CPU, control unit. So the correct answer in this case is option number C, which is CPU. So guys, I have a suggestion for you. Before checking out the answers directly, make sure that you think of the answers in your mind and then try to attempt the question, because this way you will have the practice of solving the questions on your own without just directly looking at the answers, and your muscle memory will work, and in the exams also you can think about the solutions of the question. Moving on to the next question, which data structure follows the FIFO pipeline? Okay, so just in case if you are not aware, FIFO is first in, first out. Okay, now we have two data structure, one is called as stack and one is called as queue. Okay, and both of them follows like LIFO and FIFO. Okay, wherein LIFO stands for last in first out and FIFO stands for first in first out. So let's see, in stack whatever goes first, like A is going first and then B is going. Okay, so when coming out, so whatever is last in will come first out. Okay, so B will come first and then A will come. So stack follows LIFO, whereas in queue whatever goes first, like if A has gone first, then A will only pop out, so we will get A, B, C. So queue is what? FIFO. So the options that we have are stack, queue, linked list and graph. So I hope now you have got the answer for this. The correct answer is option number B, which is queue. So queue follows FIFO principle, which is first in first out. Moving on to the next question. What is the time complexity of binary search in worst case? So you, like if you have worked upon binary search, it is used for sorting and searching. So the correct answer for this question is in worst case binary search takes big O of log n. Okay, so the correct answer is option number B, which is big O of log n. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is an example of system software? And we are given four options: compiler, MS Word, Photoshop and Gmail. So the correct answer in this case is option number A, which is compiler. Okay, so compiler is an example of system software. Let's move on to the next question now. Which protocol is used for secure web development? Okay, and we are given few protocols as the options. First is HTTP, FTP, HTTPS, SMTP. Okay, so see, in HTTPS we have the S word, which is for secure only. So the correct answer for this question is option number C, that is HTTPS is used for secure web app communication. Moving on to the next one. In which layer of OSI model does routing occur? Okay, and the options are application, transport, network, data link. Basically these are different layers. Okay, and we have to tell in which layer exactly the routing occurs. So routing occurs in network layer. So the correct answer for this question is option number C. Moving on to the next question. What does RAM stands for? Okay, and we have been given different options. RAM, like first is random access memory, second is read access memory, third is read only memory, next is random application memory. So the correct answer for this question is random access memory, that is option number F, which is the first one. Moving on to the next one. What is the full form of SQL? Okay, so we have to tell the full form of SQL, and we are given different options. Option A is structured question language, simple query language. Option C is structured query language, and option 4 is standard query language. Let's see the answer for it. The answer for this question is option number C, which is structured query language. Moving on to the next one. The question that we have is, which sorting algorithm has an average time complexity of big O of n log n? And the options that we are given is bubble sort, quick sort, insertion sort and selection sort. So and you know, you guys make sure that you like read the question correctly. It is asked average time complexity. Okay, so don't consider like worst or something. So the correct answer for this question is option number B, which is quick sort. So quick sort has L log n time complexity. Moving on to the next question now. The question is, a compiler translates program written in, and the options that we have are high level language to low level language to high level language, assembly language to machine code, and machine code to binary. So the correct answer for this question is option number first. Basically here it is B, so I will write B. The correct answer is this one, which is high level language to low level language. So the compiler work is what? To convert or like translate a high level language code into a low level language code. Moving on to the next one, which of the following is a private IP address? Okay, so we have been given 4 IP address as the options, and we have to tell which one is the private IP address. So the correct answer in this case is 192.168.1.1 is considered as a private IP address. So the correct answer for this question is option number A. Let's move on to the next question now. What does VPN stands for? Okay, so let's see. The options that we have are, first is virtual private network, second is virtual public network, third is verified public private network, and fourth is virtual protected network. The correct answer for this question is first one. Okay, but here the option is B, so that is why I'm writing B. I'll also write the correct answer for this. The full form of VPN is virtual, V for virtual, P for private, and N for network. Okay, hope you are getting these questions, and if you are liking the video, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, comment down your views if you want to see more such videos for preparation. And by the end of this video there will be 2 DIY questions. Make sure to attempt those questions too. Let's see the next question. Which layer of the OSI model ensures reliable delivery of data? So we have different OSI models, and we have to tell which of them ensures reliable delivery of data. The options that we have are network, transport, session, and application. The correct answer in this case is option number B, which is transport. So transport OSI model ensures reliable delivery of data. So with sometimes, logically also, if you think, you will get the answers. So here it is clearly mentioned delivery of data, which means transport model only will support delivery of data in a reliable way. Moving on to the next question. The question is, a firewall is used for what purpose? And we have been given 4 options. The options are data encryption, network security, packet transmission, and software development. So most of us know it. So the firewall's work is for network security. Okay, network security, it secures our environment with any security threats. Moving on to the next question. What is phishing? Okay, and the options that we have are hacking user credentials through deceptive emails, attacking a system using brute force, encrypting sensitive data, monitoring web traffic. So the correct answer in this case is hacking user credentials through deceptive emails. So phishing is the techniques in which like the hackers hack the system using user credentials through deceptive emails. Moving on to the next question now. Which cloud model offers services to general public? The options that we have are private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. So it is told as general public, so it is obviously option number B, which is public cloud. So public cloud model offers services to general public. Moving on to the next question. Guys, before we look into this question, if you are finding this video helpful, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss important updates from the channel. I regularly post these kinds of helpful videos on my channel. Let's see this question, which is, what does SaaS stands for, or we can say SaaS stands for? The options that we have are software as a solution, system as a service, software as a service, and storage as a service. The correct answer for this question is option number C, which is software as a service. We have different things like PaaS, SaaS, and IaaS. Okay, so where is I stands for infrastructure, SaaS stands for software as a service, P stands for platform as a service. Moving on to the next question now. Which cloud service model provides virtual machines? The options that we have are SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, DaaS. So the correct answer in this question is option number C, which is IaaS model provides virtual machine. Okay, because IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. Moving on to the next question. The advantage of cloud computing is, the options that we have are high initial investment, scalability, hardware dependency, fixed storage limit. The correct answer in this case is option number B, which is scalability. Moving on to the next question. Okay guys, so we have seen so many questions so far. Now I have two DIY questions for you, so which you need to solve on your own, and you have to write the answers of these questions in the comment box down below. Since if you have came so far in the video, make sure that you attempt these videos, because these questions, because you are preparing for yourself, and don't think that others will comment, so why I shouldn't comment, because this is your journey and you are preparing for it. So definitely please comment down, so I will get to know how much you are preparing, and I will reply to your comment if your answer is correct or not. Let's see the first DIY question that we have. Who is the father of computer? The options that we have are A. James Gosling, B. Charles Babbage, C. Dennis Ritchie, and D. Bijan Strustrup. Okay, how you have to comment down your answer? You have to write it 1. This is question number 1 for DIY. So you have to write 1, and whatever your option is. For example, if your option is A, then your option, and then your complete option, like name, for in this case like James Gosling, whatever. Okay, and then whatever is the next one, similar way you have to follow, and I will write it if your question, answer was correct or not. Moving on to the second DIY question, which is what is the full form of CPU? And we have different options: computer processing unit, computer principal unit, central processing unit, and control processing unit. So make sure that you write the DIY questions answers in the comment box. So that's all for today guys. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Make sure to join me on Telegram and Instagram as well. You can ask your queries in the Instagram DM as well, and if you need any content, you can request it on our Telegram channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, to receive all the latest regular updates. I regularly post off-campus drives and preparation related videos for placements on my channel. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video.